Hello, this is Patrick at OneCNCWest, and what we're going to do in this video is take a close look at the modify command provided by OneCNC. Now, you can use the modify command to change the attributes of wireframe geometry, for example, lines, points, arcs, splines, but you can also use the modify command to change the attributes of solid models and surfaces. In fact, what I'd like to demonstrate in this video is how you can use the modify command to create a brand new layer and at the same time assign geometry to that layer. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at what we have here. I have three different layers. The tooling plate layer, that has the tooling plate, and then we have two other layers, layer 2 and layer 1, that have various geometry on them. Layer 1, that has the actual bracket with two of the bushings. Layer 2 has the remaining bushings. All right, now what if I want to create a brand new layer and place those four bushings on that layer? You can do that, and you can accomplish this very quickly by using the modify command. But the first step is you do need to select the geometry. So I'm going to hit the letter S. That's the shortcut for the select command within OneCNC. And now I can take my cursor and left click the bushings. So even though these bushings are on different layers, I can hit the letter S, left click all four of those bushings. Now with those bushings selected, we're going to come down to the lower left hand corner, and this is where you're going to find the modify command. In fact, the proper name for this is the modify selected attributes command. Now, you'll notice that there's four different things you can change. You can change the color, the thickness, the style, and the layer. Okay? So for example, we could say, you know what? I really want to place all of these bushings on layer 2. So we could select layer 2. Or we could say, oh, we want to take all those bushings and we want to place them on the tooling plate layer. So we could select tooling plate. However, we want to create a brand new layer. So we're not going to select any of the pre-existing layers. Instead, we're going to come up here to the prompt where we can type in the layer name. And I'm going to type in bushings, just like that. So when I click the OK button, OneCNC is going to create a brand new layer called bushings, and it's going to place all four of those bushings on that layer. More specifically, it's going to place all the selected geometry on this new layer. So let's click OK. And if we look in the lower right hand corner within the layer browser, there's a brand new layer called bushing, and we can turn that layer on and off. Notice how layer 2 is now blank. Remember earlier, layer 2 had two of those bushings on there. But now there's no geometry on this layer, and that's designated by the letter X. If you want to get rid of that layer, you can right-click and select Delete, or you can right-click and select Purge Empty Layers. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it helped out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.